All right, so let's keep going. Here are the prices of some items and the amount of sales tax charged on each in Nevada. So we've got an item and its cost, and then the sales tax. And they're asking us, what is the sales tax rate? Remember, this means we're trying to figure out what is the percentage. So when I'm setting up my proportion for this, I don't know what this piece is right here. I know the 100 goes on the bottom. And the cost of the item, this represents the total or the whole. The sales tax is a part of that. I'm trying to figure out what percentage this is of the total. So in Nevada, the sales tax rate, now it should be the same. Oops, that was weird. It should be the same no matter what item I choose, right? Because the sales tax rate will just be the same overall. So I'm just going to pick the first one. We'll take the $10 item. And the sales tax for that was 46 cents or 0.46. So when I solved this, a lot of people were struggling with what to multiply first. I still want to go diagonally across. So 100 times 0.46, that moves that decimal over 2 spots. So I would end up with 46. And then divide it by 10. So I get 4.6. And don't say $4.6, that's 4.6%, because that's what the question was asking us. So the sales tax rate in Nevada is 4.6%. All right, then we have some of these problems. These are not new, but let's do one or two of them just to make sure we remember. Percent proportion for every single one of these. So if I'm trying to figure out what 3.8% of 25 is, I'm going to put my 100 down here, my percent up here, of 25. So my 25 goes on the bottom. I'm just going to set it up. You guys should be able to solve it on your own. For this one, I'll do it over here. 0.2% of 50. So my 50 should go on the bottom, my 0.2 on the top. Now remember, 0.2%, that's going to be a very, very, very small amount. So if you get a small number, you're in the right track. And the last one, 180.5%. Well, remember, 180.5, that's going to be more than 100%. So your number ends up being bigger than 99. If you get something smaller than 99, that is not correct, because that would not be bigger than 100%. So there is your setup for those. And let's look at number 5. On Monday, the high was 60 degrees Fahrenheit. On Tuesday, the high was 18% more. How much did the high increase from Monday to Tuesday? So this is an older problem. Same thing. I'm going to set up a proportion. It started at 60 degrees, and I want to go 18% more than that. So I need to figure out what is 18% of 60 degrees. So here's my setup. If I do 60 times 18, and then divide that by 100, it's looking like the temperature is going to go up 10.8 degrees. Now, it doesn't say what is the new temperature. It says how much did it increase. So I can leave my answer just like this. All right, so those are some good problems for you guys to continue to practice with. Make sure you continue working on that tax tip and discount. This last problem, if you have extra time, is just a circles review if you want to see what you remember. But for the most part, I want you guys to focus on, oops, I got signed out, on that tax tip and discount assignment from yesterday. If you finish that, you can work on the quizzes that I've posted or that I will post. If you finish that, you can work on some IXL. So all the directions are right there. Please stay productive, guys. I also wanted to mention, I told the sub, you should not be touching whiteboard markers. You guys know this already. If I hear that we're doing that, there's going to be a problem when I get back. So please make sure you are not touching the whiteboard markers. All right. Well, I hope you guys have a great day. Email me with any questions, and I will see you soon.